Hey Tom, do you want to play football? Sorry, Leo, I cannot play today. My dad will pick me up. School is finished. Yes, time to go home. See you tomorrow.
My mom is here.
My dad is here too. My dad will come soon. Bye, Leo. Bye, Tom. See you tomorrow. See you. Dad is always on time. Maybe there is traffic. I will wait.
Why are you still here?
My dad did not come yet.
Do not worry. You can use my phone.
Thank you, sir.
Call your parents.
Hello, Dad? Please answer. Oh, no. Dad is not answering. Maybe his phone is dead.
Stay calm.
Look, a taxi.
Do you know your address?
Yes, I do.
Where are your parents?
I am going home.
Okay, get in. Put on your seatbelt.
Okay.
Good boy.
Why are there so many cars?
It is rush hour.
Everyone is going home.
What is this machine?
It is the taxi meter.
It counts the money. We are here.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice evening.
Leo, you are home. Hi, Mom. How did you come?
By taxi. I took a taxi.
You came alone?
Yes, Mom.
Leo, are you safe?
Yes, Dad.
I am sorry,
You scared us.
but you were brave.
I am okay.
Always stay safe.
Listen to your parents. See you next time.
Leo, are you okay today? Yes, I am fine. Yesterday was a big adventure. Class will start soon. Let's hurry. Okay, let's go.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
I am ready. Leo, can you read this sentence?
Yes, teacher.
Very good.
Great reading. Thank you. You did well. The bell is ringing. Class is over. Let's go outside. The bell is ringing. Class is over. Let's go outside. Do you want to play? Yes. Let's play football. Yes. Pass the ball. Here you go. Nice kick. That was fun. Yes, very fun. You play well. Leo, tell the taxi story again. It was scary, but you were brave. The driver was kind. That is good. Kind people help others. My mom is here. My brother came. My dad will come soon. Bye, Leo. Bye, Tom. See you tomorrow. Do you want to wait together? Yes, thank you. No problem. My mom is here. Okay, see you. Bye, Leo.
Hi, Leo.
Hi, Dad.
Sorry I am late.
It's okay. It is okay.
Thank you for waiting.
Let's go home.
Okay, let's go. How was school?
It was good.
I am happy.
Today was a long day. Yes, it was.
But it was interesting.
Thank you for watching.
Stay safe. See you next time.
That game was fun. Yes, it was great. You played very well. I am thirsty. Let's drink some water. The next class will start soon. We should go inside. Yes, let's go.
Open your English books.
Page 10? Yes, page. The boy walks to school.
Good reading.
Nice job, Leo.
Everyone is doing well.
Thank you, teacher. I like this class. See you tomorrow. Bye, Leo. Bye, everyone. Do you have homework? Yes, a little. Me too. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. My dad is there.
My mom is waiting.
My dad is coming.
Yesterday was scary.
Yes, a little. But you were brave. Thanks, Tom. I remembered my address.
That was smart.
Very smart. Very smart. Tom, come here.
Okay, Mom. Bye, Tom. Bye, Leo.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Tom.
See you. See you tomorrow.
Leo!
Hi, Dad.
I am here.
I waited for you.
Thank you for waiting.
Let's go home.
Okay, let's go. How was your day?
It was good.
That is nice.
Welcome home.
Hi, Mom.
We are back.
Thank you for watching. Stay safe.
See you next time.
Good morning, Leo. Good morning, Tom. Today is a nice day. Let's go to class. Yes, the teacher will come soon. Hurry up.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher. I am ready to learn.
Today we learn new words.
That sounds interesting. I like new words.
Yes, Leo?
Can I read?
Yes, please.
The boy walks to school.
Excellent reading.
Great job.
Well done, Leo. Thank you.
Keep practicing.
The bell ringing. Class is finished. Let's go outside. Do you want to play football? Yes, let's play. I will be the goalkeeper. Pass the ball. Here you go. That was fun. Yes, very fun. You are a good player. Leo, tell the story again. I took a taxi home.
That was brave.
The driver was very kind. That is good. Kind people help others.
My mom is waiting.
My brother came.
My dad will come soon.
Bye, Leo.
Bye, Tom.
See you tomorrow. Bye, Leo.
Bye, Tom.
See you tomorrow.
Hello, Leo.
Hi, Dad.
Let's go home. Did you have fun today?
Yes, I played football.
That is great.
Today was a good day.
I am happy to hear that.
Me too. Thank you for watching.
Stay safe. Whoa.
See you next time.